How to fix the Windows Stop Code Memory Management BSOD. Windows 10 throws up a dazzling array of error messages and stop codes when things go wrong. When a blue screen of death BSOD. What is a blue screen in Windows? How do you fix blue screen errors? Here are several fixes for this common Windows problem. At times, stop codes issue for very specific errors. At other times, you might have to work through a range of Windows 10 fixes. The Windows 10 memory management stop code involves the latter. Memory management is vital to keep your operating system ticking over nicely. Memory management is the function that manages your system memory. I hear you say, duh, Gavin, it's in the title. Properly working memory management, however, is vital to your system health. When memory management goes wrong, your system will start showing BSODs at regular intervals. Here's why. Memory management essentially tracks every memory location on your system, regardless of status. It manages the transition of memory and processes between your RAM and physical memory during execution, deciding how much memory to allocate, and how much is available for allocation. When you close a program, it reallocates that memory to other processes or marks it available for use. Unfortunately, memory management isn't absolved of system errors, just like the rest of your system. And when it does crash, it takes your system with it. Simply put, a memory management BSOD means there's been a critical memory management error. There are several well-known causes for memory management errors. At times, your system might recover after a simple reset. If you encounter a memory management BSOD, restart your system and see if the error returns. If not, there is a chance it was a one-off. For control freaks, Windows Update is a nightmare. It works in the background and keeps your system safe and running smoothly. We show you how it works and what you can customize. Outdated system files can cause unexpected errors. Checking for a pending update is a quick and easy way to figure out if that is what is causing your issue. Hit Windows key plus I to open the Settings panel. Now, head to Update and Security. Then check under Windows Update for any pending updates. If there is an update, save any important files. Then press Restart Now. Your system will reboot during the process. You can use the integrated Windows Memory Diagnostic utility to check if your system RAM is working correctly. The Memory Diagnostic tool runs after a system reboot. It checks your system memory for errors and logs the scan to a text file for analysis. Type Windows Memory Diagnostic into your Start menu search bar and select the best match. You have two options: reboot immediately and run the utility, or set the utility to run after your next reboot, as you are trying to fix your memory management BSODs. Save any important documents and reboot your system immediately. The Windows Memory Diagnostic runs immediately after reboot. The log file, however, isn't apparent after you boot back into Windows 10. Press Windows key plus X and select Event Viewer from the Power menu. In the Event Viewer, select Event Viewer, Local, greater than Windows Logs greater than System. Then, in the right-hand column select Find and type Memory Diagnostic into the box. Hit Find Next. Your diagnostic results will display in the bottom of the window. Windows Memory Diagnostic doesn't show any errors, but you're sure the issue relates to your system RAM. If that's the case, you can use memtest86 to perform an in-depth memory test. Memtest86 is a free, standalone memory testing tool for x86 machines. You boot memtest86 from a USB flash drive or bootable disk and leave it to check your system RAM. Now, a memtest86 RAM check takes a long time to complete. A single pass takes hours depending on the amount of RAM you have installed. Want to give it a try? Check out Step 7, Check your RAM using memtest86, in our guide to fixing the WHEA uncorrectable error. Some Windows crash errors are cryptic and therefore more difficult to troubleshoot. The WHEA uncorrectable error is one of those. Another quick and handy potential fix is to update your system drivers. New software or hardware may come with new drivers, and your system might not have got the message. Driver faults are less common than in the days of computing your especially as Windows 10 now handles driver updates. By and large. But that's not to say they don't happen. Press Windows key plus I to open the settings panel. Then select Update and Security greater than View Update History. You can find any driver updates here. Now, type Device Manager in the Start menu search bar and select the best match. Head down the list and check for an error symbol. If there is nothing, your driver status is likely not the source of the issue. That said, you can use a third-party tool to update all of your system drivers simultaneously. Check out this list of free tools you can use to fix the majority of Windows problems. If you're running into system problems or rogue settings, you should use these free Windows 10 repair tools to fix your PC. A common theme throughout memory management BSOD threads and forum posts is that, at times, outdated or brand new GPU drivers can cause the BSOD. Give some attention to your GPU drivers and double check your last update. CheckDisk is a Windows system tool that verifies the file system and with certain settings fixes issues as it runs. You run CheckDisk from the command prompt, and it has a bunch of nifty features. CheckDisk is a Windows diagnostic tool that scans data drive volumes, verifies their integrity, and fixes errors when necessary. Here we highlight the improved CheckDisk features you can find in Windows 8 N. Type command prompt in your Start menu search bar. Then right-click the best match and select Run as Administrator. Alternatively, press Windows key plus X. Then select Command Prompt, Admin, from the menu. Next, type CheckDisk, R and press Enter. The command will scan your system for errors and fix any issues along the way. If you're seeing weird issues in Windows, it could be due to system files becoming corrupted. Here's how to fix them using the System File Checker. That checks for missing and corrupt Windows system files. Sounds like CheckDisk, right? Well, SFC checks for Windows system files specifically, while CheckDisk scans your entire drive for errors. DISM stands for Deployment Image Servicing and Management. DISM is an integrated Windows utility with a vast range of functions. In this case, the DISM Restore Health command ensures that our next fix will work properly. Work through the following steps. Type command prompt, admin, in the Start menu search bar. Then right-click and select Run as Administrator to open an elevated command prompt. Wait for the command to complete. The process can take up to 20 minutes depending on your system health. The process seems stuck at certain times, but wait for it to complete. Last but not least, physically check your system hardware. Did you move your system recently? There's a small chance your hardware unseated during the process. Only a small chance, but something worth checking. Okay, still tearing your hair out? Sometimes nothing other than a Windows 10 reset will completely fix your problem. Windows 10 Reset replaces your system files with a completely fresh set of files and theoretically clears lingering issues relating to the memory management error while keeping the majority of your important files intact. Head to Settings greater than Update and Security greater than Recovery. Then under Reset this PC select Get Started. Your system restarts as soon as you hit the button. So make sure you to back up any important files beforehand. Your system will restart. Then you may select Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Memory management BSODs are difficult to take care of. Many variables can lead to a memory management error. And that's exactly why diagnosing a direct issue is sometimes problematic. However, one of the above fixes will bring your system back from the brink so you can continue your work free of any BSOD for now. For a more specific fix, check out our troubleshooting guide for the video scheduler internal error issue. Met the cryptic Windows 10 stop code, video scheduler internal error. These potential fixes may solve it for you. Text source, makeuseof.com.